Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my student? In a stage one. Okay, soleh-solehah, before we begin, please pray before. Ya, please pray before. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidani ilman warzuqani fahman wa alimni bisolihin. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Okay, soleh-solehah, for today, we have a schedule for science, yeah, but without Zoom. And we next to the next chapter, ya, kita sudah beralih ke chapter berikutnya, ke bab berikutnya, about what are the different parts of the body. What are the different parts of the body? You can stand up and you can look the parts of your body from the head until your leg. Yeah, from your head until your leg. Nah, soleh-soleha, this our learning idea for today about recognize and name the different parts of the body. Yeah, we want to name our parts of the body. Nah, we are humans. We are humans. Each of us has a body. Has a body. Ya, kita adalah seorang manusia and we have body. Nah, look at this picture. Look at this picture. What are the parts of his body, this boy, from head? In our head, we can find it hair. Yeah, this hair. Nah, hair, this hair, and then this head. Yeah, and the eyes. This eyes and this nose and this ear and a mouth. And we move to the our body. Shoulder, yeah, arm, hand, and our fingers, yeah. And we move to the our legs. If we want to move, we use our leg, knees, leg, foot, and toes. Next, I will be explain one by one. Hair, rambut. This hair have a color, is usually red color or brown color, and these eyes. We have two eyes, yeah, mata. Next, ears. We have ears for hearing. We have two ears. And nose. We have nose, one nose with two hole, punya dua lubang. Next, this mouth for talking, mulut. And our head, yeah, is full head is kepala. And shoulders, bahu. These shoulders, yeah, left and right, kanan dan kiri. And our arms, this lengan, this our arms, yeah, this our arms, soleh-soleha. And then hands, these hands atau tangan, these hands, yeah, hands from this hands. And then fingers, this has a snail, yeah, this finger, jari tangan. And then legs, kaki. Nah, kaki, legs is commonly we can call betis, like betis, ya, kaki. And then knees, lutut, ya, this lutut, knees. We have two because we have two legs. And this feet, kaki, this kaki, ya. And that's toes. Toes is mean jari kaki. This jari kaki, soleh-soleha, jari kaki. Nah, and then soleh-soleha, I have hadis here. Ya, sesungguhnya pendengaran, penglihatan, if you hear, if you look, if you sight this, our heart hati, semuanya itu kelak akan ditanya pertanggungjawaban. For example, you have ears. Allah Subhanahu wa taala create ears for us. Allah Subhanahu wa taala give two ears for us. And we use of our ears what for? Kita gunakan untuk apa pendengarannya kita? Apakah untuk mendengarkan hal-hal yang baik atau tidak? Itu akan ditanyai pertanggungjawaban. So please keep the all parts of your body soleh-soleha. Next, soleh-soleha, yes ya. I think you ever saw hear this song about head, shoulders, knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes. Yeah, you can repeat it to hear these songs. Let's Soleha, please. This our exercise for today. Please look your book page number 8. Yeah, in science book page number 8. This we have two number actually, yeah. This number 1, what are the names of the same parts of the body? Fill in a missing letters. Nah, ini tidak lengkap hurufnya. So please complete it. Dilengkapi soleh-soleha. I give you example for the part A. A and B, N. What's the letter? What is the missing letter? N. Have the meaning? Tidak punya arti kan if only N. Masa bagian tubuhnya kita adalah dan? Yang mendekati from our lesson, from this explanation from Ustazah before, yang mendekati kata N adalah tangan. So the missing letter is H atau huruf H. Nah, hand it's mean tangan sekarang sudah memiliki arti. Now we move to the part B. Shoulder. Nah, what's the missing letter here? Please fill here, ya. And then next for number 2. Number 2, wait. Nah, number 2, name these parts of the body that are found on a head. Nah, what's the part A? Please write the name. I give you example how to answer this. Please write beside of the letter A, hair. This is hair. Please give a label or give the name, hair. What is the part B? What is this? What is the picture? Part C, what is this, soleh-soleha? What is this? And then what is this? Write in English, not in Indonesia. Okay, soleh-soleha, I think that's all for our meeting for today. If you have a question, you can chat Ustazah, you can ask me. Okay, before we close our meeting for today, please you can pray before, ya. 1, 2, 3. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.